Hi guys, so I'm really excited for this video. I know I say that every single video, but hey, that's why I film. Today's video is on this Tokyo Treat No Make No Life subscription box. This is a monthly subscription box that comes to you straight from Tokyo. It's $29.99 a month. Just so you guys know, there's going to be an affiliate link if you wanted to sign up under me. I do get a small portion of that. If not, I will link the non-affiliate link down below. So this comes with 5 to 7 Japanese beauty products, anywhere from makeup to body to bath to hair to accessories to tools. So I already know what's in this box. When the company reached out to me, I looked it up on YouTube to see what exactly it was, and this is actually the November box, and that's the one I watched. So I didn't want it to be like a boring haul, because I am going to include this in a skincare Sunday video. So I purchased this off of Amazon. These are 16 different Japanese flavored Kit Kats, so they're all different flavors. Most of them I have no idea what it actually is. I thought it would be fun to do these together. Like I said, I don't want it to just be a boring haul video, but it comes with this book that has every single item, and in English they describe what it does. So I will be grabbing from the No Make No Life box, reading this, and eating Kit Kats, and it's going to be so much fun. So here is the first item. This is the, I'm already like, I'm bad at pronouncing words in English, so just give me a little benefit here. This is the Kakama 2-in-1 Mascara Liner. Fill in sparse lower lash lines with this 2-in-1 mascara liner to give your eyes the extra sultry look. The mascara liner gives you full but feathery lower lash look, minus the hassles associated with fake lashes. Not only that, this convenient tool can be used as a regular eyeliner. Use it to give your eyes a smoky look, or just use the tip for a sharper line. I think I'll definitely use this to smoke out my top liner, as I did today with eyeshadows, so this will be really useful for that. Alright, so I'm just gonna randomly put my hand in here and try something. I have no idea what this one is. These are all mini size. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells sweet at the beginning, but then it smells kind of like chewy. I have no idea what it is. Like, I taste a little bit of like a toastedness, but it tastes sweet. I don't know, it doesn't have like a little description thing to tell me what I ate, but that one tasted pretty good. There are more Kit Kats than there are items, so I'm gonna try another one. This one, this is what this one looks like. I'm gonna start eating just one because I am supposed to be eating healthy. This one, I think this is the wasabi one. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Ugh. It still tasted sweet, but it had like a spicy aftertaste. I don't do spicy well. Alright, so this is the next item that I have from the No Make No Life box. This is the Honey Oil Cleansing Lotion. A double duty product that's rich in honey and sunflower oil that your skin will love. The gentle lotion works to remove dead skin cells while moisturizing your skin. The lotion is gentle enough that after use there's no need to rinse it off nor apply additional toner. Moisturizing ingredients include sunflower seed oil. So it has, oh, maybe I should mix it first. Or is that, I guess it is an oil. I thought it was going to come out like a lotion, but I think it's just an oil. Yeah, it's just an oil. I thought it was going to be like a lotion though. It smells really cleansy. Let's see if we can remove this guy with it. The eyeliner is resilient. So you will see all of the skincare items used in a Sunday skincare video. This will definitely be a part of that. It says that the moisture lasts 28 days. I don't know how the air is over there, but... Alright, this is another one. No clue what it is. White with like red, I think. That one's really good. I think this is like a strawberry or a raspberry or this one's good. Really good. Just so you guys know, it came with a regular Kit Kat one, but I already ate it. Next one. This one smells like a berry too. That one is so good. Oh my god. My mouth is watering. Woo! That one is incredible. Best one yet. That one was definitely raspberry. Or maybe, I don't know. I can't tell. Alright, so here is the next item. So this is the Tanyu Inso Furbon Point Masks. Treat extra dry and sensitive areas of your face, the whole thing, with these mini-sized masks. The masks from popular drugstore brand Tanyu use soy isoflavones to restore elasticity in your skin and ingredients such as collagen and hyaluronic acid to provide extra nourishment to delicate skin. But I'm definitely excited to use these. They're definitely soaked, and then there's like liquid in the packaging. I'm very excited to use these. Some of them say what they are on them. I haven't had one yet that says that though. Even though these are Japanese, they have American words on them. It says have a break, have a Kit Kat. It's another green one, so I'm a little scared. Ugh. Oh, that tastes terrible. It tastes like a cleaner. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know what that was. Tasted like, that might have been like one of the green tea ones. I'm not a tea person, but that tasted like sawdust in the Kit Kat. This one has apples on it, so I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Got a chocolate outcome. Oh. The chocolate tastes good, but the apple is like that really fake sour apple taste. I need a different one. Okay, this one is strawberries. It's got to be good. All the pink ones have been so good to me. So good. It tastes like a strawberry Pocky. I'm gonna eat the second one. Alright, so next we have this oil roller. It says it in English on the top, so I know exactly that's what it is. So it comes with a little roller and a cover for the roller. So in the book it says, Rosy Rosa Oil Blotting Roller. Wipe the shine off your face with this easy-to-use blotting roller made with volcanic stone. This convenient tool effortlessly removes unwanted grease and dead skin from your face. So that's pretty cool. I'm not really like a super oily person, but I do get oily on my chin, my nose, and sometimes on my forehead. So I'll definitely try that out in the skincare video. Feeling a little full. This one really scares me because, I don't know, that looks like some kind of sandwich put on the picture. And it's covered in chocolate. I don't know what this could be. Oh, it doesn't smell like chocolate. I don't know what that is. It's terrible. It's awful. This one may kill me. It's got this little blue guy and he's praying. And it's yellow. Smells like this is the pancakes one. It does taste like a pancake. It tastes like syrup and butter. This is the coolest flavor yet. This one I'm super excited for. This is like a bath, something you pour in the bath. Ginger bath salt. Not really sure why there's like little chilies on there. Like I think that looks like ginger, but why are there chilies on there? And then on the back it has like a little song. So it says, after a long week, treat your mind and body to an extra TLC in the bath with this relaxing bath salt, which contain ginger and chili extract. That's why there's little chilies. Both of which have extra warming properties. The Yazoo ginger scented salt contains Yazoo extract, which has a tight skin tightening property, holla. Whereas the ginger chai scented salt contains skim milk and tea extract, which both have moisturizing properties. The honey ginger scented bath salt contains honey, which also has moisturizing effects. The bath salts are collaboration items from famous food manufacturer Nagatanian and NOL Corporation. Which of the three did you get? I got the yellow, which actually it's got a little lemon here too. What is it? There's mixed messages happening here. There's a little ginger and a lemon here. I'm gonna open up a little bit and smell it. Oh, very ginger. Yeah, it smells like straight up ginger and straight up lemon. I don't smell any chili, so I'm really not sure what I got. They all have the little ginger and the chili, so I think this must be the Yazoo ginger one. I don't know. I am excited to put this in my bath. So excited. Normally I do bath, shower. I'm not gonna lie, my stomach hurts. I feel like I'm on the verge of diabetes, but here we go. This one looks really dark. Scary. Might be coffee? This one just tastes like dark chocolate. This one is refreshing because it's not as sweet as the other ones. I'm going to keep this one off to the side. This might be my little palette cleanser. See, this is one of the ones that has the flavor written. This is Sakura and roasted soybean. And there's a little pile of dust right here. Oh, this one smells really like nutty. This one's good. It's probably my favorite one so far. Alright, one more and then I'm gonna get back to it. This one looks pretty good. It's got chocolate in the picture over here. It says that there's 64 calories in each one. I'm only eating one side on most of them, but that's a lot. I'm gonna skip lunch. This one looks like vomit, and it didn't smell very good. What kind of chocolate is that? No. Oh, this is so cute. I forgot about this one. This is the Mapepe Big Ribbon. Never be bothered by long bangs or straight hair anymore with this cute big ribbon by Mape. Oh, no, I'm sorry. The big ribbon is perfect as an accessory to complete your outfit, or just keep your hair at bay while washing your face or applying makeup. Just swipe and pat the ribbon over the hair you want to maintain and watch it magically stay. It's really cute. I feel like I'm a little old for ribbons, but oh, it has like a Velcro. It's also good if you get a really bad Kit Kat flavor and you need to throw up. I think this is cute. I'm even going to put it in my skincare video since it said while you're washing your face. Alright, so this one might be like an ice cream or something because that is like a big pile of purple ice cream. It's purple. This is my first purple one, so I'm a little scared. This one's good. I'm not going to eat it all though because I feel like I'm going to die. That might have been the purple potato one actually. It does have a slight potato aftertaste. This is another one of the hand talk ones, and it's got the little guy doing some gang signs. Chocolate, so that's a good sign. This one just tastes like chocolate. Oh my god, cheesecake! I really want to save this one for one of Alex's friends. He's in love with cheesecake. This is a good note to end it on, you know? That is so good. Speaking of cheesecakes, have you guys seen those like Insta videos of the really fluffy cheesecakes? I'm not sure if it's Japanese. I know it's of Asian descent, but it looks so good. Alright guys, I hope you liked this video now that I have diabetes from all those Kit Kats. As for the No Make No Life box, I thought that was really, really cool. I'm not sure if they're going to be sending this to me monthly, but I really hope they do because I'm super excited. You guys will definitely be seeing these products in a Skincare Sunday video. And like I said, there will be an affiliate link below, and there will be a non-affiliate link as well. If they don't send this to me, I'm going to sign up because I'm so obsessed with this. I've always been really curious about getting things from other countries. That's why I was so excited about the Cheers makeup. But this is really cool. I hope you guys liked this video, and I thank you so much for watching.